Good morning, everyone. I hope that you had a great fall break. I just want to go through the beginning of our chapter 3 here. Today, we're going to do a quick review of some algebra skills that we're going to need in chapter 3. So this is just going to be the module for today, Monday, October 19th. You are going to need to stop back into Canvas tomorrow to see the module for October 20th. We're going to do some statement and reasons and get those committed to memory in preparation for chapter 3 also. But if you take a look here, you're gonna have 4 different videos that you're gonna need to watch that are all linked into the slides. You'll see that in our module there are slides that say lesson for October 19th, and these slides are in there. So you're gonna watch a video on slope, writing the equation of a line, solving systems, and parallel and perpendicular lines. You will need your chapter 3 notes. That was part of the material that you picked up at the bookstore. If you didn't pick that up at the bookstore, it is linked in on the slides and you can copy and print what you need from there. Notice that after you watch each one of the videos, that there is going to be a quick little Canvas assignment or quiz. There are 3 of them that are Canvas quizzes, and then one of them is going to be a worksheet that you're going to do, that you're going to upload, and that worksheet was also part of the material you picked up from the bookstore. Once again, if you can't find it or you didn't get it, it is linked in here to the slides also. So if we preview the slides, you can see that, you can see that here is our first video, and that's going to be on slope. And then when we go to the next page, it just tells you to do the assignment. And then here's our next video on writing the equation of the line. And then ask you to go to Canvas and do the assignment. Here's our next video on systems. These are real quick, 2 to 4 problems videos that will just help refresh your memory, hopefully. And then after you watch the systems video, go and do the systems quiz. And then the last one here is one of Mrs. Bass's videos. It goes along with your chapter 3 notes. It's a little bit more detailed, talks about the parallel and perpendicular lines. And then you can see that there's a worksheet in there, and that is part of that packet that you picked up at the end or at the bookstore at the beginning of the year. It's also linked in there if you need to print it. I will have a Zoom session tomorrow at 2:30. We want to make sure that we know these algebra skills before we get too far into chapter 3. If not, what will happen is that we're trying to learn the new geometry and trying to review the algebra at the same time, which is sometimes a little confusing. So it would be best if you can try to get to the review work here in algebra before tomorrow at 2:30. And if you have questions, please show up at the Zoom. And then remember that you want to check back tomorrow for the October 20th module. It's going to give us what we're going to do for our first day of actual chapter 3 work. Thanks. I hope you're having a good day. Bye.